Hello everybody, this is sparelinks.com and this is a short video to show you how to measure different types of watch links. We're not going to teach anyone to suck eggs here, but we want to make sure we're all on the same page so that you get the watch link that you need. Now, as you can see with just these three examples, they're all very different, so we want to show you the best way to get accurate measurements. Now, the first thing is the width. So we're talking from side to side. And we list two widths on our website, the rough width or approximate width and the accurate width. And you may ask why we do that. We'll take, for example, this middle one. The rough width is about 16 millimeters. So these digital vernier gauges are very good, by the way. People searching will look for a 16mm link, but when you actually measure, it's 15.7 in the center, and at its widest point, which is the measurement we're going to use, it's 16.5. That's actually on the connecting part of this. So we will list it as a 16mm link because that's what most people will look for, and then an accurate measurement of 16.5. Thickness is very easy. Take your caliper and read it, 1.8 millimeters, and the length is actually from hole to hole. Now this is a bit harder. It helps if you've got two links, but you should have a watch already with these in. So it's going to be about that, about 6.8. It is harder, but they're not going to make too many of the same ones. Now the other measurement is the groove width. I'm going to show you that on these links. Now the groove width is in between those two parts. You might want to call it a different name. You can see that is 8.8 millimeters. Now we're measuring the groove and not the tongue. The tongue will be a bit smaller. Not by much, but it is. But it's got to allow a little bit of working room to be able to fit into there. So just to be sure, you measure that. And even then, you see that it's changed a little bit. We're talking tenths of a millimeter. So it is a small measurement. We're trying to be as accurate as we can. This link has multiple grooves. Now that's harder. So you measure from one end groove to the other, in this case 11.5. That is probably more accurate than doing 1.3 times 1.3 times 3.6 by 3.6. So we're going from one end of the groove to the other side of the groove. Nice and simple. Thank you for watching. I hope that helps, but if you have any questions, do please email us and we'll be happy to help. Thanks.